Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can chat on Bigo Live. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Bigo Live application and you'll be appear with the home page of Bigo Live. Now at the button below of the screen, you can see chat in there. Go ahead and tap on it. So what we can do is we can only chat or talk with the friend that we have followed, and the other persons will also follow us. So let's tap on any of our friends. So if you want to chat back, you can just text back them and just send the messages. Now tap on arrow option and the message will be sent, and this is how easily you can chat on Bigo Live. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.